Hello guys, today we will rate EA's alarms. Smash that like and subscribe button, comment where you're from. Let's get to the video. Not gonna lie, that kinda jump scared me, but that's goofy. It's 3 out of 10. That's a vibe, 2 out of 10. That's a mid-tier alarm, slightly scary, 5 out of 10. Oh no, the cops are here, 6 out of 10. Same as Switzerland, 2 out of 10. Oh god, another jump scare, 12 out of 10. Seriously, another jump scare, 21 out of 10. I don't know why that's scary, 9 out of 10. Okay, enough of scary sounds, another one. Someone is laughing, 4 out of 10. I kinda like this, 6 out of 10. We're having a party, 5 out of 10. Okay, that's it for today, goodbye.
Ready